It's too hot.
I know, son.
You want a prime? I got one in my trunk.
Sure. YouTube, what's going on? It's your favorite gardener, your weekend gardener here. Today what I'm doing is my last video you saw was the last one before the last one was my banana tree giving an update. Well, that update came in April. It is now July. So from April to July, this is how we're looking. I put a comment in the post talking about I was going to replant this tree in the ground, and that's what I'm doing. I'm going to move it temporarily back into the ground. As you can see, this spot right here is a normal spot, and it's super soft. That's because I keep every year I dig in the same exact spot. I'm going to put my amendments in: cow poop, worm castings. Not sure what else. Today is a blistering 81 degrees in the DMV area, and I know other parts of the country has 3 digits. Well, I-90s feel like 3 digits here. And that's because of we're so close to the city with all that smog and pollution and greenhouse and whatever else you want to call it. But humidity, that's the word I'm looking for. The humidity out here is crazy. It almost feels like you're in a dryer. Now my son just told me, he just got on me about hydrating, which is something I'm hard-headed about doing. All right. You know what I'm doing, right? Either one, I don't care.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
You better plant a tree. Banana tree.
Oh yeah. I just want to put it back in the ground. I'm telling everyone I'm putting it in the ground until October.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, I know it's like one of the only things out here that really can't survive, right? In the winter.
Well, the citrus trees can't survive either.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That should be good.
So like the pomegranates and stuff.
They're fine.
Right?
Yeah. Could you pour a little bit of this in there in the hole for me, please?
Yeah. Just a little bit.
Make it generous. Yeah. Okay, that's good. And then kind of chop it up with that. All right, you see how I'm getting this tree out?
Yeah. That size, loosen it up.
Loosening the soil. That's the root ball. Backfill, please. Well, let me use some of this too. But we're gonna backfill. Okay. And more than likely it's gonna mound up. Hold on.
Get the grass out?
No, it's fine. It's only gonna be in the ground until October.
Okay.
Let me get a tape measure. Okay, I do have more trees that I want to plant, but we're not doing that today because I'm not trying to kill us. All right, okay, we're looking good. And just put some more around. So right now, if my boy's watching, we still have our competitions on, son. See who get the biggest tree. All right, hold on a second. I'm back. Yeah, so we have a competition who has the biggest tree. I gave him a branch Well, I gave him a piece of tree last year. And of course I won that competition because he darn near almost killed the tree I gave him. All right, this tree's coming in at a whopping 4 feet high. All right, if you're watching, my prediction is my tree is going to hit 6 feet before October. I'm going to text you, give me your number. I'm going to whoop that number. And I have 7 leaves. And I know you were up ahead 2-1. But I surpassed you, son. So here we are. Banana tree competition on. Thanks for watching.